Hello students, myself Dr. Manisha Telang from Arihant Institute of Teacher Training, Pune. Students, today we are going to discuss about the B.Ed CET exam syllabus. Why do you pursue any degree? So that we can build a skill and land a job based on them. So, first of all, I will brief you about some career opportunities after B.Ed. We can become a secondary school teacher, junior college teacher, or teacher educator at D.Ed, B.Ed, and M.Ed level, professor at senior college. We can take a private tuitions and subject expert on online courses that we can work in a NGOs, and also we can become a education officer. These are all the career opportunities after BA. So how to get admission into a B.Ed college? I will be discussing the admission process with you in short. First, we register your name for the common entrance test, then appear for common entrance test, then after appearing CET, get result, then we have to fill the online preferences for colleges of education, then receiving a provisional admission letter, then the verification of documents, payments of fees, and then we get the admission in B.Ed college. But CET is mandatory to get admission in the B.Ed college or to clear this CET. So now I will be discuss the CET exam pattern. Okay. This common entrance test will be an online test. The exam paper will be divided into three sections, which will cover a mental ability, general knowledge, and teacher aptitude. The question paper will consist of 100 marks of objective type. Total time duration 90 minutes, and 1 mark will be awarded for each correct answer, and there will be a no negative marking. Now, those students who wants to take an admission in the English medium college, they should appear for ELCT exam. ELCT means English Language Content Test. This is a separate test along with the B.Ed CET exam. This ELCT will consist of 50 MCQ of 50 marks, and the time duration for ELCT will be 60 minutes. Now let me see again this what is the exam pattern. Total 100 marks, mode of examination online, time duration 1 hour 30 minutes, types of questions multiple choice questions, number of sections mental ability, general knowledge, and teacher aptitude, and medium of instruction English and Marathi. Now we will discuss what is the paper pattern. I have already told you that in this paper there are the three sections, that is mental ability, general knowledge, and teacher aptitude. Mental ability have 40 questions of 40 marks. On general knowledge, 30 questions of 30 marks. Teacher aptitude, 30 questions of 30 marks. Total 100 questions of 100 marks. Now, we will discuss about the syllabus for this mental ability, general knowledge, and teacher aptitude. We see one by one. First, mental ability. This section will contain questions based on series, number series, then logical reasoning, coding and decoding, relationship, analogy, classification, and problem on dais. Then general knowledge. In general knowledge section, happenings in the surroundings at local, national, international level, including past events. Then current affairs including science and technology, history, geography, civics and political science. And the third section is teacher aptitude. In this section, the leadership qualities of teacher, awareness about changes in education and society, updates of his and her knowledge, and communication and professional commitments. This is the syllabus for the three sections. Now, student, we will see about the ELCT examination. Means ELCT means again English Language Content Test. This again, what is the pattern for this exam? This is mode is again online mode. Then medium, English medium. Number of questions 50 questions. Maximum marks 50 and duration 60 minutes. The syllabus for this English language content test: reading comprehension 20 questions, vocabulary 5 questions, grammar 8 questions, sentence formation 7 questions, phonetics 3 questions, verbal idioms 5 questions, proverbs and figures of speech 2 questions. Student, I will give you some references book here. Upkar Prakashan, Maharashtra B.Ed CET, Arihant Publications, Maharashtra B.Ed CET, then R. Gupta's Popular Master Guide for MH CET. These are some reference book. So, student, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.